Welcome to the Helping Hamilton Go Solar workshop. This is an initiative of Blue Green Hamilton and Blue Green Canada and Environment Hamilton. And we also want to gratefully acknowledge the support of TD Canada Trust. They're the official sponsor of today's workshop. In addition, I'd like to acknowledge the Ontario Trillium Foundation, which is providing funding to both Environment Hamilton and Blue Green Canada to do the green economy and green jobs work that we're doing right now. My name is Linda Lukasic. I'm the Executive Director of Environment Hamilton. And for those of you who don't know us, we're a local not-for-profit organization. We've been around for almost 10 years. And our role is to provide Hamiltonians with the knowledge and skills needed to enhance and protect the environment around us. We've got a display table outside, so I encourage you to go and learn more about what we do. And I'm here today with Bill Thompson. Bill is the Regional Coordinator for Blue Green Canada here in the Hamilton area. And I'd like to invite Bill to come up and say a few words. Bill?
Thank you, Linda. About last April 17th, Mohawk College was kind enough to host an event for us. And many of you were here for that event. And many of you wanted to have a workshop like this. And it's taken us a while, but boy, have we got one for you. It's taken us a lot of effort. And the effort has come especially from Environment Hamilton. It's done a remarkable job. But also Toronto Dominion Bank, who we really thank for taking a real leadership role in sponsoring this event. We also want to thank Radiant Returns, one of the people that stuck around and worked very closely in helping to put this program together. And of course, Green Venture. And these four organizations met several times and enjoyed more than enough coffee at the Sky Dragon Coffee House to put this program together. So we look forward to meeting some of your information needs today. But a little bit maybe about, okay, what is this Blue Green? Well, we do have an information table. We'll bore you to tears at the drop of a hat to tell you about ourselves. But it's an alliance between two somewhat unlikely organizations. Environmental Defense, which is the premier organization for environmental activism and for policy and for developing a lot of change in Canada. And the United Steelworkers, which is a premier labor organization. But you don't always think of these two organizations as being in the same room at the same time. However, both organizations have some fairly far-sighted leadership and realize that what is needed in order for the environmental revolution, if you will, to take place is for developing a truly effective green economy. And that means good jobs. And that's why the unions are here. Because we need to develop good jobs, green jobs in Hamilton, and we've got the people that are dying to do it. We have had people that have graduated now out of the McMaster program in energy, including photovoltaic. We're lucky today. We have most of the players, the local installers that can talk with you about putting photovoltaic on your rooftops. And when they have business, they'll be hiring local people. So that's why we're here, is to help get that off the ground. Yes, we fight on larger issues, on sort of larger economic issues, on large plants, but small business, small development is also critical to the development of green jobs, because many good green jobs don't require engineering degrees. Require the ability to lay a good bead of caulk in refitting, and if you don't think that's an art, try it. I know I did. Ended up wearing most of it. So today we're really welcoming you. We hope that we will provide you with information that will give you some encouragement, and that you will be the engine that makes 2011 the start of the green economic revolution in Hamilton. Thank you.